Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week we have an exercise for my level 1 people. Hi level 1 people, I hope you're having a good December so far. So this month we're doing work with some paddle and rolls. And if you took a peek at last week's exercise that I gave to the Never Too Late people, you're basically doing the same thing, except we're going to take it a little faster. So let's walk through with the exercises first. You are going to be doing paddle and rolls. Let me remind you what those are. So that's your dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. Okay, that's a paddle and roll. The dig, brush, that's a paddle. The step, heel is the roll. These are also sometimes called paradiddles. My preferred name for it, though, is a paddle and roll. Okay, we are going to be working with a little pattern here. And if it helps you, you're going to think 7, 7, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So you're going to do 7 paddle and rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to do a stomp with the left foot. So a stomp is a flat-footed touch. The toes and the heels of your shoe hit the floor at the exact same time, and you do not change your weight. You leave your weight on the other foot. You're just putting the foot down on the floor. That way, this foot is free and ready to start it on the left side. So you do the same thing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. Then we're going to do 3 and a stomp on each side. 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. Then you're going to do 1 and a stomp 4 times. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. And that's the whole thing. So let's go ahead and walk through it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel, dig, brush, step, heel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. Now we go 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. Okay, we are going to do it again with a little drum beat. I like using these drum beats. It's kind of like using a metronome, but it's a little more interesting than just your click, 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 click of the metronome. It also doesn't give you the distractions of maybe trying to sing along with the lyrics of a song. So here we go with our drum beat. Five, 6, 7, 8, and dig, brush, step, heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a stomp. Now we do 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. 3, 2, 1, and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp. 1 and a stomp.